So this is the website, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have done the annual membership functionality for you. Here is the annual membership page, and here is the plan. So I made it for 800 GBP for every year. So let me I am the verified user. Like yes, I bought this plan offline, and if I will go to under the annual member profile, then I can see here my annual membership profile, member
Member.
ID, name,
Okay.
email address, and
Uh-huh.
here is the credit. How many credit I have available, because when I buy the annual membership plan, then automatically 800 credits will be added under my account.
Yeah.
And here is the expiry date. Like as
Okay.
the plan will be
1 year.
expire within 1 year. Yeah, and here is the
Okay.
transaction history, like is where I am buying which product and how many credits I am using from my account. I can see everything there.
Okay.
And here is the birthday things, like as after buying
Okay.
the plan, they can select one time their birthday and they can save the birthday. So so on their birthday of the every customer, they will get 25 credit for free to buy on the website anything. And here is the referral things, like if I refer anyone to join the annual membership program, and if the payment will be successful, then they will get 50 credit. Like you will get
Yeah.
50 credit if you will join anyone. And here is the each user will have a unique referral link. Like yes, under your account you will get your referral link, and if you will
Yeah.
share this link with anyone, and if anyone click the link and buy the annual membership plan, then you will get a 50 credit for free.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so here if anyone click, then the link will be copied here.
Yeah.
And and the main functionality is, like as if now I will go to the shop,
Yeah.
and now if I will try to buy any product, like as if I will buy this 40 USD head from your website, and you can see it's automatically make
It's automatically. Okay. Great.
32, because I am a annual membership holder. That's why I am getting 20% off all of the e-commerce product. This is the membership benefits. So now
Okay.
if I will go to
Good.
the checkout, and now if I will go to look like as a general user of your website without a membership plan, if I will go to the shop, then I can see if I want to buy the same product, add to cart, you
Great.
can see it's it's 40, no discount, because
No
under
discount.
under this profile I am not a annual membership holder, and I need to buy it with 40 GBP. But when I am a membership user, then the plan is then the product price is 20% off automatically. And
Yeah.
if I will go to now continue, you can see here there have the credit card system, the payment gateway you was included,
Yeah.
and the offline payment. We can turn off the offline payment because we don't need that. Let me go to the settings, accept payment, and our Stripe is active, and manual payment I want to turn it off. And the main plugin that I have developed for you, that's called wallet credit. Like as after
Okay.
buying the annual membership plan, when they will go to the website to buy anything, under the payment gateway they can see the debit and credit card option, and the wallet credit option they can see here. You can see here have the credit card option. Like as if I am not a annual membership user, then I need to obviously buy with debit and credit card. But when I am a
But
when, when
they
I
can use
am
the
a
wallet.
yes, I can use the wallet and I can place the order here. So let's see.
Right.
The order is placing here. Yes, thank you, Pace. You can see, thank you, successfully the order is placed with 20% discount. And here is the payment method is wallet credit. And now if I will
Okay.
go to under my account annual membership the profile, then I can see how many credits I have available there. You can see
I see.
32
Yeah.
gbp and it's converting with the credits. So
Yeah.
43 the credit used for 32 gbp, because
Yeah.
the credits will work for USD, but on your website currency is GBP. That's why it's
Yeah.
calculating all time. So you have used 43 the credits to buy the last product,
Yeah.
and the credit will be automatically adjust here.
Good.
Okay, and under the dashboard, if I will go to the CMS, under the CMS you can see everything here, like is the referral, how many referral already happened on your website. You can see I have created my account with referral code and it's already rewarded, and how many reward they will get here, 50 reward. And here is the creation date, reward date, and here is the referred member ID and who referred here, like is 1002 number member referred this customer. So we can see everything here. And under the CMS, if I will go to the member wallet, then I can see how many the paid customer we have under the annual membership. And here we can adjust the credit, like as if anyone by mistake you have done anything wrong with their account, then you can manually adjust the credit. Like as if anyone want refund or something look like that, then you can come here to this CMS and you can adjust each and every annual membership user the credits. You can adjust it
Like,
from here.
okay, like for example, if at the moment, I have the main reason that why I do the membership first, I mean, first stage that I do the membership, I think about the membership. The first stage, because I have like 200-300 clients in my record, in the clinic, yeah, and all of them are my repeated client. It means they will always come back to use the service in my clinic. So I think this group is my first stage of the membership. So it means if they come, like for example, I have this afternoon, I have appointment with my client to do Botox and filler. They're supposed to pay like £800. They're supposed to pay £800. Rather than they pay, I will try or I will give them a credit. Like, okay, if they pay £800, definitely they will pay £850 this afternoon, and then I will give them an offer for them to be a member. Like, I will give them, well, I don't know, maybe I give them like 550 or 250 credit. Can I do that manually in
Yes,
here?
you can manually add the credit on the each annual membership profile. You can adjust the credit from here, like as if
I
you
see. I can. This is what I can do okay, in this function. Okay, understand.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so So I have the list. I have the list what I need to do with my language and English language as well. So
Good.
so everything is done. Everything is done. Like as annual membership things and the credit things that I have already done here. The credit, and here is the credit history, where they are spending their credit. And if anyone go to the booking under the our treatment, let me go to our treatment, and if I want to book this services, book now, and select any of the date and fill up my information. You can see they are getting automatically discount 20% because of they have
The
both the
membership.
membership plan. But if I will go to the website with a regular visitor, and if I want to book it, our treatment, book now, so here is no discount, you can see. Just a
I
second.
see.
If I will go to next, and you can see it's 180, no discount. But when I am a annual member profile, I have annual membership plan, then I am getting automatically discount, and
Yeah.
and I can book it with my credit wallet. Here have the both option. They can use their card when like as I have the annual membership plan and I have buy the product, I have buy the booking things, and my wallet credit is 0 now. So I can't use the wallet credit anymore because it's almost finished. So then I need to
see.
use debit and credit card to book the services. So here have the both option. Now if I will go to wallet credit, I select the wallet credit and I place the order here. I place the order here,
Yeah.
then you can see the order has been placed successfully. And now if I will go to under my account, and I can see where I am using my the credits. You can see 144 GBP I just purchase on the website, and it's take 195 credit from my account, and now I have available for 89 the credits. So they can see everything from here.
Okay.
And let me show you the code what I have done. If I will go to the Velo mode, I know you can't understand it, but I want to show you. Here is the two plugin, like as for e-commerce discount and the wallet credit system, and here is the event, wallet history, referral system, member wallet manager, birthday reward, birthday web. Like is each and every functionality done by code. So if I will go to any of them, like is the birthday reward system, you can see here is the Velo code. Like as for the next, like as you leave me somehow, or I am not available to reach, so you can go to the different developer and they can see the code is very precise, and the code is very understandable. So anyone can go there and they can change the code, or they can change the functionality, like as if you will hire any other developer. Okay, so each and everything is very clear, and anyone can go to the website and they can see the code what I have done for you. This is a lot of code. This is a lot of code for the functionality, because generally Wix don't have those functionality. I have done them with Wix Velo code.
Good.
Okay, so yeah, and the treatment balance, the credit system, and member dashboard, admin dashboard, it's mean this one, member dashboard, this one, annual membership profile. If you want, we can design it more good, or I think
Yeah,
it's
yeah, yeah,
fine
yeah.
for now, or we
I
can do a good
yeah,
design?
yeah, I have one of my staff. He quite good in like a photographer, and he understands some of these type of thing, and he work in my restaurant. I have a meeting with him that he could help me on these, but I really need you to be his his you have to guide him through because he's not familiar with. He knows some function, but he not like expert like you. So I might need your help to go through not everything. He's worked with me. He's from Nepal. He's from Nepal. He's student in the UK, and then he worked in the restaurant. And his main career, he is photographer,
Okay.
and then he do some contents for me for the restaurant and for clinic as well. And he I think he studies something like he not study I and then what are you well within first month are you going to do that for me or are you charging that as well? Let me know.
For what? For what?
For well just for I mean, I know
Helping
that
him.
this website need to be developed, need to be, some pictures, some, but all function is very good. You just create everything very good, but we need to put more informations about like my treatment, which is I'm not provided to you because I know that you just do everything finished. But after that, I really need to change some details, change some picture,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
or
sure. So I,
maybe need to develop, in terms of and then the product that I need to put in, all details that is very it take time to do that. I understand. Then therefore that's why I speak with the boy. I mean the my staff. Explain something, not all the time, not a whole week, but